Hi there, Shalon Day here with Bible Journaling Ministries Creative Team. And today I just want to show you and walk you through how to use Canva, the free version, to create your Faithdex cards using our digital stamp, Jesus and the Lion, which is available in your bonus files if you are a Momentum member, or you can find them at biblejournalingministries.com/shop, and this stamp is available. So if you are ready to learn how to use the free version of Canva and this bonus file, Jesus and the Lion digital stamp, then let's go. So as we get started, we're going to go to Canva, www.canva.com. And if you don't already have an account, it's very easy to set up. As you can see here, mine is the free version. You don't have to pay for anything. Now, if you want to upgrade and you want some of the other features, you're more than welcome to do that. I'm going to go over here to create a design. Now, I'm going to do a custom size. If you like this tutorial, write this down, keep this somewhere, because this is going to be the exact size that you're going to need for the Faithdex square template, and I'll show that to you as we go along. So you're going to do your width at 385 and your height at 315, and it's going to come up as pixels, and that's what you want. You're going to click Create New Design. It comes up in your workspace as this perfect square. So now you want to pull in your files. So you're going to go to Uploads. And as you can see, I have mine already uploaded, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So you're going to click Upload Files, and I'm not sure if you will be able to see this next screen. Okay, so we have our workspace. We're going to go to our Momentum. We're going to log in, and we're going to go to Momentum Courses. Now we're going to find course number 30, which we did for Faithdex cards. And once we find course 30 right here, we're going to click Enter Class. And right below your introduction video, you're going to find 5 buttons. You're going to click on the one that says Faithdex PNGs zip. You're going to download that zip file. Also, you will need to go into your bonus files to the new releases and download the Jesus and the Lion PNG as well. So I'm going to show you how to extract those pieces of that zip file. So you have your zip file here. You're going to right click on that and select Extract All. And then just click Extract. I already have this done, but I just wanted to show you how to do this. So now when you go in, you have this unzipped folder here. You can double click that, and now you have all of your single Faithdex card templates that you can pull into your Canva workspace. I found that the Faithdex square is the best size and proportion, and that's the 385 by 315 pixel size that I gave you was for the Faithdex square. So when you are in Canva and you go to upload your files, you can go to that unzipped folder, choose your Faithdex square, and then it brings it into your workspace. Once you have those pieces unzipped and they are accessible through your files, you're going to go to Upload Files. We're going to go to the Downloads, and we're going to click that Open Folder. We're going to choose the Faithdex square, double click, or click like this, and click Open, and it's going to upload that into your uploaded files. You're going to do the same thing for your Jesus and the Lion image. Once those have uploaded, you're going to click your Faithdex card and then resize it to exactly your workspace, because that is the 385 by 315. It's just going to bring that out just like that. You're also going to click on your image and bring it into your workspace. From here, I want to resize because I want it large on my card. So when you see this dotted line or the solid line on the horizon, on the horizontal, that is telling you that your image is centered. Now, as I was looking up on my topical Bible app, the Lion of Judah, the verse that came up was Revelation 5:5. So I'm going to open another tab and go to BibleGateway.com. Now up here in Enter Passage, I'm just going to enter Revelation 5:5. And here in this drop-down menu, you can choose which version or translation of the Bible that you would prefer. I am going to go with the World English Bible. Then click the magnifying glass. Once you have your verse pulled up and it has searched it and brought it up, you're going to left click on your mouse and you're going to highlight all of this. Then on my computer, I'm going to Control C, as in cat. Now I'm going to go back to my design. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click Text, and I'm going to add a text box. So that's going to come up in the center of your image over here. I'm simply going to click Backspace, and then because I have copied that verse, I'm going to hit on my computer Control V, as in victory. Now my verse has been brought in, and I'm just going to resize it because what I want it is on this right hand side really tall. So I'm just going to resize, pull that in like this, and then I have to click out here and then reselect it so that I can move that up. Now I'm not crazy about this font, and I want to add my scripture reference. So to add my scripture reference, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click Shift Return and then put in Revelation 5:5. Underneath that, I'm going to, in parentheses, put which translation is there. Now, I'm going to change my font. So I'm going to highlight everything in my text box. And right up here at the top is your font menu. And you can scroll down and find a font that you really like. Now, I will say this. These that have the yellow circle and the crown, that is for the upgraded subscription, not for the free. So those aren't available in the free version. However, you do have a lot that are available. A lot of fonts. I have a couple that I use often, and those show up on my recently used. So I'm going to choose that, Give You Glory. And I want the font to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to change the font size here to 14. I'm going to click out again, going to click in and try to move that where it is centered. And I might have to change, so I can double click. Well, I'm going to highlight all of this again and go down one font size. So that's 13. And now I can move this, and I want it to be centered on the horizon, on the horizontal axis, according to my workspace. So I have that solid line across the horizon, and I'm going to make sure that that is there, that nothing is, going to be cut or cut off. Then I go right up here. I'm going to highlight all of that, and I'm just going to save this as Jesus and the Lion Faithdex. Okay, so now it's saved. It will be in your workspace whenever you go to your home page. But first, I want to download this to my computer so then I can print it. So I'm going to click Share. I'm going to click Download. And it will come up as a suggested PNG file type. You do have the option of saving as a JPEG, a PDF standard, or PDF print. They give you some other options here. I just stick with the PNG because then I go into my pictures and I know that it's there. So I'm just going to click the download button and it will download. Then all I have to do is go into my File Explorer and pull it up as the PNG, which I will show you next. So I've opened up my PNG file. I just want to print it. So I'm going to click these three dots and click Print. I can choose my printer, and you can do either landscape or portrait as far as your orientation goes, but it will still print at the correct size. And then just click Print. If you wanted this on a color of cardstock, you could just add that to your printer and print it out like that. I'm just printing mine on white cardstock. So I have my Faithdex card printed out, and I just wrote at the top for you to see so that you could make yourself a note, maybe a sticky or something like that. But in Canva, the size of your custom design is going to be 385 by 315 pixels. So now I'm just going to cut this out, and I will speed up the video so you don't have to watch me cut it out completely. Now I have my Faithdex card. If you wanted to take markers or colored pencils and color in your digital stamp, that would be fine to do. I'm not going to do this because I just really like this one, black and white. If you wanted to create a tab or maybe take some washi tape or something like that and make you a tab to put on this, that would be okay too. But I want to show you just how perfect this actually fits into my Faithdex box. It's a perfect fit, and it really was not difficult to do. But that is a way to use those digital stamps that come in your bonus files every month and create your own Faithdex cards. Maybe you want to create them to give to someone, or even to have for your littles. They can color in those images and gives you a chance to meditate on your focus verse that you have. So just wanted to show how you can utilize some of the free things available to you online. Canva is a good program to use. It's fun to play with, and you can definitely import these PNG files as that are available to you, the digital stamps, resize them, and then you actually can have the template in your Canva to just go in and upload a different PNG and replace it and then print it out again. So I just wanted to share this. I thought it might be helpful to you. I hope it was. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you'd like some more tutorials on how to use Canva. I know a lot of people do digital Bible journaling, and I have not found a program that is available on an Android device, which is what I use. I know that GoodNotes is available for iPads and things like that, but I haven't found a way other than Canva to create using these PNG files. So I thought this would be helpful. Leave me a comment and let me know if this was helpful to you. And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to click that subscribe button. Click the bell for notifications, and I cannot wait to be with you again soon. May the Lord bless you and keep you always. Until next time, goodbye.